Who's that pretty person right there? Say hi. I'm Lola. Hi, world. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I wish my owner would leave me alone with this camera. She's just so annoying. Please, no pictures. Please. No pictures, please. Let me sleep. Oh, I've had a rough day. Let me tell you. I first got up, I lounged, I played with my toys, I ate, and then I got a back rub and a belly rub, and I am tuckered out. You don't even know the day I had. I'm too tired to even film. Shut this off. How do you shut this off? How do you shut this off?